Hello children, how are you? Today we will explain the solid state part 5th. In this part we will explain imperfection in solids. Imperfection in solid, point defect. We will focus only point defect. But imperfection in solids are two types, point and line defect. In our syllabus only point defects are included, so we will focus only point defect. The impurity defect, stoichiometry defect and non-stoichiometry defect. And stoichiometry defect are classified into four groups: vacancy, interstitial, Frankel and Schottky. And non-stoichiometry are two types: metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Imperfection in solid. Crystalline solid always found to have some defect in the arrangement of their constituent particles, atoms, molecules and ions. This defect affect the physical and chemical properties of the solid and also play an important role in various processes. There are two types of defect known in crystal, that is point and line defect. Point defect are classified into three groups: impurity defect, stoichiometric defect and non-stoichiometric defect. Impurity defect. Impurity defect arises due to addition of a small amount of impurity in ionic solid. It actually creates some kind of cationic vacancy in ionic solid. For example, if some SrCl2 is added in molten salt of NaCl, it takes the position of Na plus in the crystal. But charge on Sr is 2 plus, so each Sr2 plus replaces 2 Na plus ion and it occupies the site of one ion and the other site remain vacant. The cationic vacancies thus produced are equal in number so that of Sr2 plus ions. In this way it causes vacancy of 1 point. Another similar example is the solid solution of cadmium chloride and silver chloride. And now stoichiometric defect, vacancy defect, interstitial defect, Frankel and Schottky defect. And non-stoichiometric defect, metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Vacancy defect. In this defect, due to missing atoms at their lattice sites and number of vacancy depend on temperature. It occurs in non-ionic compound. It decreases the density of solid and it can be created by heating. And now interstitial defect. This is a interstitial defect. In this defect, when some of the constituent particle occupy the interstitial site other than lattice point, it occur in non-ionic compound. It increase the density of solid. Frankel defect. When a small ion is dislocated from its normal site and occupies an interstitial site. It is also known as dislocation defect. It occurs in ionic compound. It does not change the density of solid. Examples: zinc sulfide, silver bromide, silver chloride and silver iodide, etc. In zinc sulfide, Frankel defect due to large difference in the size of the ions. Hence the zinc cation can easily get dislocated and can occupy the interstitial site. Schottky defect. It occurs in ionic compounds having similar size of cation A plus and anion B minus. It decreases the density due to cation and anion both leave the solid crystal. For example, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, cesium chloride and silver bromide, etc. And this is a defect-free NaCl structure. And this is a Schottky defect within the NaCl crystal. In this defect, both Na plus and Cl minus ions are missing their lattice side. And now AgBr show both Frankel and Schottky defect because the radius ratio for AgBr is intermediate, and in AgBr both Ag plus and Br minus are absent from the lattice, causing Schottky defect. Ag plus ions are mobile, so they have a tendency to move aside the lattice and trap in interstitial site, hence the cause Frankel defect. So AgBr show both Frankel and Schottky defect. Metal excess defect. Metal excess defect are two types: due to anionic vacancy and due to cationic vacancy. The number one is due to anionic vacancy. Anionic vacancy are created due to reaction of anion of the crystal with excess of metal present in the atmosphere. For example, when crystal of NaCl is heated in presence of sodium vapor, the sodium atoms are deposited on the surface of crystal and later on form the bond with Cl minus ion by losing an electron. In this way, it creates a vacancy for Cl ion, but the electron removed by sodium metal diffuse in the crystal and occupies the anionic site. This creates a F center. The anionic sites occupied by unpaired electron are called F centers in a crystal. NaCl yellow color and lithium chloride pink in color. KCl is violet in color. And second is due to presence of extra cations. Excess cation site are generated due to the loss of anion of crystal after any reaction. The excess of cation occupy the interstitial site, zinc oxide on heating, loss oxide ion from the crystal, and for example zinc oxide white at room temperature, yellow on heating. This is a reaction of zinc oxide when heating. Zinc 2 plus ion plus half O2 plus 2 electron, and this is known as extra cationic defect due to presence of extra cationic defect. And metal deficiency defect. Metal deficiency defect due to missing of cation of lower vacancy and presence of cation of higher vacancy occurs when metal show variable valency. Example, FeO is mostly found with the composition of Fe 0.950. The actual composition range this mean FeO 0.93O to Fe 0.96O. In crystal FeO, some Fe2 plus ion missing, and loss of positive charge is made up by the presence of the required number of Fe3 plus ions. Charge is compensated by conversion of ferrous to ferric ion. This is a change ferrous ion to ferric, and for every vacancy of Fe cation, 2 ferrous ion are converted to ferric ion means provide the 2 electron required by excess oxygen. Okay, clear? Thank you so much.